This sauté cabbage recipe is very easy to prepare, flavorful, and super delicious. It's also made with very few ingredients, which you're going to find listed in the description box down below. So I've washed and shredded my cabbage. Also, I have shredded some carrots over here, chopped up some coriander and onions. I have a few spices also over here, which are going to make our cabbage turn out very flavorful. So to get started, you're going to place a pan or a pot over medium-high flame. Add in enough cooking oil to cook your cabbage. Once my cooking oil is hot, I'm going to add in my onion and saute until soft. Don't brown your onions because they're not going to be looking very good once the cabbage is ready. So all you need is to cook the onions until soft. As my onions are cooking, I'm going to add in my spices. I'm going to add in 2 beef seasoning cubes, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder. Crush my seasoning cubes and stir into the onions. And at this point, I'm going to add in my shredded cabbage. Using your spatula, you're going to stir in as the cabbage cooks. So if you usually cook your cabbage and it turns out soupy, the trick to making the perfect sauteed cabbage is not to cover with the lid, because the cabbage is going to cook instead of steaming. Hence, you're going to have a very soupy cabbage. Also stir frequently as the cabbage wilts down. This is how mine is looking. I'll add in 3 large carrots which I've shredded. Start to combine. And just look at that lovely color the carrots has added to my cabbage. I'm going to cook my cabbage for around 1 more minute. So at this point, I'm going to taste the seasoning. I need more salt. So I'm going to add in a little bit more salt. Remember, seasoning cubes contain salt, so please check before adding more salt to your dish. Oh, this is looking so delicious. This is how my cabbage is looking after a minute. Gorgeous. I'm going to garnish with some coriander. Toss everything together. And wow, I absolutely love the colors and how my sauteed cabbage has turned out. My sauteed cabbage has taken me very few minutes to prepare, and it's best served over some rice, ugali or chapati, or you can enjoy the cabbage as it is because it is very delicious. Definitely, if you have some cabbage in the house, try out this very easy and simple cabbage recipe.